Hello guys, what is up? And today I'm showing you parts that come loose on the Traxxas Bandit. So one of the main parts is right here. If you see in the front, I made this front bumper, by the way. So if you can see here, so there's like the two screws in the front right here. There's a screw here and here. If you look at it from the side, you can see that one's kind of up. And then you can actually see that this one, like this one right here, is down, and then this one is up. So in the front bumper, you want to tighten this up. That's part of the shocks for the front. See that? Now it's nice and tight. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side for a check. I'm going to keep doing it until the wheel goes up. Or until that does that. And then part 2 is up here by the suspension. Which these don't usually come loose. Okay, that's part 1. Part 2 is this. This is in the side right here, this little piece right here. Now, see that? See what that is? That turns it. And you want to make sure that's tight, so if I were you, I would hold it so the wheels don't turn. Okay, that's good. Then you want to tighten in the side here. Right here. Hold on, I'm trying to... That's not really loose, but right here, tighten that. Alright, that's tight. Now here's the major part. The major part is, first I'm gonna be taking this off first, and then I will show you. You can get these pieces at the hardware store. I will list them in the description when and if I can find out what they are called. Oops. You can fast forward this if you like. And then you just want to like keep going. Well, you don't really want to do this because like I don't really know if you're gonna get these pieces because these parts break off on it. Sometimes they can be bended back, not bended, bent. Oh my goodness, this could be an issue. Uh-oh, that one might be stripped. Oh, no, got it. Alright, just had some dirt in it. You want to make sure that you replace these kind of bolts because if they strip and it's a hard part to take out, you're going to get some stuff. So, loosen this. Okay, next up, after you have this off, you can obviously see what's next. So this is the front of the Bandit. Does that look like an issue to you? Yep. See that? It just went right in. I kind of had to push it in a little bit. Any more runs and that would have been done for. want to make sure you tighten this up. That one's tight. Alright, that's tight. Next, you want to tighten this part up next. Like right inside the wheel almost. If it needs to be tightened, I don't know if yours does or not. And then, you want to go inside of the wheel. I forget which bolt it is. Wait, is it in the back? I think it's in the back. Yes, it is. So, to do this, you're going to need to take the wheel off. Alright, so after you've actually, another spot is if you look in the back, you may be able to see it, you may not, but if you look in the suspension, what do you see? Here and here. So you just want to tighten that. Having a hard time seeing it, so if you're having a hard time seeing it, you flip it over. This is a major bolt. You also want to tighten up the suspension bit too. Here and up here. And I'm gonna have to do this one without on video because it's hard to, but if you look inside the wheel there, in this wheel over here, there's this bolt right here. It's right, there's one right here. It's really hard to see it. And if you look inside the wheel well there, right on this side, look in the thing my screwdriver's going in. See it? So yeah, you want to be able to tighten that, because then that'll cause, I think, the wheel will fall off. And then what you want to do is just make sure that that everything is on tight. Like this suspension bolt here too. Make sure both of them are tight. And also tightening up the body. Because you never know if that's going to come loose. And then, see, this is the suspension part right here. You have to, if it comes loose, but the main part, the main whole thing in this video is right here. Right here in the front. Just make sure that these are tight. And I ran this through a puddle so I can go through puddles. Tighten that. Tighten the top suspension too, if you would like. I highly recommend you do maintenance on this thing after every couple runs. And yeah, I don't know if you guys can see the treads on my tires, but they're pretty worn down. They're like flat smooth. And if you want, this is just a basic model. I never really added anything except for this front bumper piece. This is custom. This is for like wood, but I bet if you see this, this thing can bend. Like this. This other one broke off, but if you want, you could just take this other piece off and then just have this part right here. So just make sure you can get like a metal L plate that you can drill these holes into. I think I made these holes. And make sure you be careful because this is metal and it can be very sharp. Anyway, thanks for watching.